In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a case with Salesforce. Whether you're new to the Lightning experience or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through how to navigate to the cases area and open an existing case so you can start reviewing the details. First, go to Salesforce in your web browser. Once you're in your company's Salesforce environment, make sure you're looking at the standard Lightning interface, which has a navigation bar running across the top. If your screen looks different, you might be in a different app. But that's all right, the steps are the same. The goal here is simply to arrive in Salesforce so we can move into the right place for casework. Next, click on Home. The Home tab is shown in the top navigation and brings you to a clean starting point. Clicking Home helps reset any previous context and ensures you're not buried inside another record. From Home, you'll see your dashboards, tasks, and other highlights, which is a good sign that you're in the right place to continue. Now, click on Case. In many orgs, this appears as the Cases tab in the navigation bar. Sometimes it may be tucked under the More dropdown. Selecting it opens the Cases list page. This page shows a list view with columns like case number, subject, priority, and status. If you prefer a different list, you can use the list view picker at the top to switch, for example, to all open cases or recently viewed, depending on what you need to see. This helps you quickly narrow in on the records that matter most to you. From the list, select a case to open. Click the case number or subject to open that record. The case record page displays two primary areas, Details and Related. In Details, you can review fields such as status, priority, origin, and the account or contact associated with the case. In Related, you'll find activities, emails, files, and any child records tied to the case. The activity panel typically sits on the right or center, letting you see the timeline of work already done. Take a moment to scan the subject and description so you have the full context before taking any action. That's it. You've gone to Salesforce, anchored yourself on Home, navigated to the Cases area, and opened the specific case you want to review. If you ever get lost, return to Home and repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this walkthrough the next time you need to open a case quickly and confidently.